Hello and welcome back to another episode of Graphite U. I'm Les O'Reilly, Marketing Product Manager here at Ross Video. Alright, jumping into this one. Hey, it applies to all switchers and even our Ultrix routers. So new, we've added a plugin for StreamDecks. What's a StreamDeck for those wondering? Well, it's an Elgato StreamDeck. So these are LCD key buttons which plug in via USB to a Windows computer. Yes, they do plug into Mac as well, but our plugin is not supported on Mac, only on Windows. So today I'm using this one, the little StreamDeck Mini 6-button guy, to talk to my Graphite for this video. Okay, so how do we get started? Well, first we're going to jump over to the Ross Video website. We're going to go to Support, we're going to go to Software Downloads, and we're going to pick our production switcher. Any of them will do, because when we go and we find the download, you're going to see all of them have additional downloads. RossTalk plugin for Elgato StreamDeck. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this. It's going to download it, of course. Alright, so double click to run the plugin. It's automatically going to relaunch your StreamDeck software. If either way, it'll bring its focus. Yes, version 1.01 is what I want to install. Go ahead and install it. So now it adds into our list of plugins the RossTalk devices. So I'm going to grab that RossTalk, I'm going to drag and drop a message onto a button. And so now I get the ability to pick from a list of commands. So what you'll see first is I can do a custom command, something in case we add new commands or other devices that you want to send these commands to, and they have a different syntax. Well, you can just choose custom, type in any text, and that's what it's going to send. In this case, we're going to use a crosspoint command, and I can see my video destination and video source. Now, if we want to know the syntax, don't forget to go back to rossvideo.com, right? We're going to go to online, so support, online documentation, and then we're going to scroll down to our Graphite in this case, and I'm going to go to device setup because RossTalk is a device command control. I'm going to click on RossTalk, and now I can go ahead and click on our Carbonite Graphite commands. And now I'm going to scroll down and I will get a list of all those commands with a much better description on how to control it, as well as I'll be able to see video destinations, I'll be able to see video sources, and how all the internal and external items break down. So here I can see that crosspoint, the aux bus, the number of the aux bus, and then the source that I want to use. So jumping back in, we're going to change this to aux, colon, 1, and media store 1 as the source. So now I can go to my title and I can say, well, I want to label it media store 1 on aux 1. So now I've got my label, and I need to tell it the IP address. What's great about this is you do not have to be running this USB device on the same Graphite box as the cards installed. Not to mention with Graphite, it's a totally different IP address anyway. But I can use any Windows computer, which is running my StreamDeck, and talk to any of the devices on the network. So here I'm going to type in the IP address of this Graphite, and this will be what we send the command to. And then of course the RossTalk port that we currently have it running on, which by default on a Graphite and a Carbonite is port 7788. I'm going to copy and paste this, and let's go ahead and go with media store 2 on the exact same aux bus. IP address stays the same. So now if we look at dashboard, we can see that aux bus is selected here, and we can see the bus sources. And now when I press my buttons on my StreamDeck, I can see the switch happen. So Easy, awesome, quick to run, not a problem. If you guys have any suggestions, any requests, any questions, please feel free to send them to switchers@rossvideo.com, and we'll do our best to get a video up around it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.